Today I'm working on a 2017 GLC300 Mercedes. Just making a quick video talking about replacing the water pump on one of these. Kind of a weird job. I'm not exclusively a Mercedes guy, so I actually haven't done this job yet. And yeah, the water pump tucks underneath between the turbocharger and the block down here. And if you pull the air filter housing out, and then there's a little heat shield that goes over the top of the exhaust manifold like this, just bolts in under there with a couple bolts. Pull that out of the way, you can kind of get to it. Here's the old one over here, and this is what it looks like. There's only 3 bolts that secure this, and then there's a couple hard lines that go into it. One big O-ring here, you want to put some grease on that. And the 2 front bolts you can get to from the front, but this back bolt, as well as this line right here that I pulled off first, you have to kind of get to through here, so that's why the heat shield had to come off. And then I had to use an extension from kind of underneath the turbo here to get to the lower bolt. There's only one in the rear, and then there's just the 2 front ones. So I don't have a lot of good information about this job, being this is the first time I've done it. But yeah, I'm just showing you kind of what it looks like. So a lot of hoses, pull those all out of the way, and so far it's not that bad. But I was hoping I could do this leaving the hard lines in place, the one that goes back here and wraps around, but it wouldn't really allow me to do that because it was jamming up on the turbo and stuff, so I had to pull the lines right off. But yeah, that's it. Thanks for watching.